Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve this exponential equation 5 to the power x is equal to 500, or taking log to the both side, we can write log of this 5 to the power x is equal to log of 500. We have taken this log to the both side, or now applying this logarithm formula, log of a to the power b is equal to this b times log of a. Log of a. So applying this formula, log 5 to the power x, we can write according to this formula, this x times this log of 5. Log of 5 is equal to this log, and the prime factor of 500 is 5 to the power 3 times 2 square. 5 to the power 3, this is 125 times 2 square is 4. So 125 times 4 is 500. Or left side, this is x times this log of 5 is equal to, now applying this formula, log of a times b, this is log of a plus log of b. So applying this formula, log 5 to the power 3, this consider as a, times 2 square, this as b. So we will get log of this 5 to the power 3 plus this log of 2 square. Log of 2 square. Or left side, this is x times log of 5 is equal to, again applying this formula, log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. So by this formula, log 5 to the power 3, this will be 3 times this log of 5. Log of 5 plus, similarly this log 2 to the power 2, this will be 2 times this log of 2. Or now divided by log of 5 to the both side, we can write x times this log of 5 divided by log of 5 is equal to, this will be 3 times log of 5 divided by log 5 plus this 2 times log of 2 divided by log of 5. Or this log 5 and log 5 will cancel and it will be x is equal to, here this log 5 and log 5 will cancel and it will be 3 plus this 2 times this log of 2 divided by this log of 5. Log of 5, and this can be written as this 3 plus this 2 times log of 2 divided by log of 5 by this formula, log of a divided by log of b. We can write this term as log of this b base of this a. By this formula, we can write log 2 divided by log 5 as log of 5 base of 2. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.